Hey guys, Jules Kain here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go through I Love You Lord Today, as recorded by the Edwin Hawkins Music and Arts Seminar. So, this song is going to be in the key of D starting off, and we're going to modulate to E flat, and then we're going to end off in F. Okay, so for the intro, we're starting off D. So, it's a D to a G over D, and this is an A minor over D. Fi, your name, to a G, to a C9, to a D over A. That's why my heart is filled with praise. To a 2-5-1, to a E minor 7, to A9, to D. Okay, again. D, G, A minor over D, G, C9, D over A. So my heart is filled with praise, to D. Then we start the verse. We're going to go for a G over A, to A, to G over A, to A, and then the first verse. So I love you, I love you, Lord, today, 'cause you care. That's why I praise you. Your name. Let's do it again. So it's a D, I love you. Then it's a G over D, I love you. So A over D flat, love you, Lord, today, to D. To F sharp minor 7, because you cared for me. So that's a B minor, and then we go to an E7 in such a special way. So I like to go from, you can go from E7 to an E minor 7 to an A, or you can just do an E over A flat to A, and walk up to 6, and then I praise you, I lift you up. So that's 1, then it's a G over D, and then a D9, magnify your name, to a G, to a C9, then a D over A. That's why my heart is filled with praise. Okay, and let's go to E flat and play the same chords. We're going to transition to the 5 of E flat. So, I love you, A flat over E. I love you, Lord, today. So that's a B flat over D to E flat. And then G minor 7, because you cared for me. So that's a C minor 7. And then on the recording you hear this voicing, which is an F9 13 sharp 11. And so F minor 7 to B flat. That's why I praise you, lift you up, I magnify your name. That's why my heart is filled with praise. Let me do that again. So I love you, I love you, I love you, Lord, today, because you care in such a special way. So why I praise you, I lift you up, I magnify your name. So that's an E flat 9, magnify your name. A flat to D flat 9 to an E flat over B flat. That's why my heart is filled with praise. Okay, then we're gonna go to F. So love you, love you, I love you, Lord, today. Same chords, but in F, cause you cared for me in such a special way. That's why I praise you, lift you up, I magnify your name. That's why my heart is filled with praise. That's why my heart is filled with praise. My heart is filled with praise. And that's how the song ends. So let me slow it down a little bit for the chords here in F. So you're playing a B flat over C, F to B flat over F, to C over E, to F, to A minor 7, to D minor. Very simple. In such a special way. So G9 to C, that's why I praise you, lift you up, I magnify. So you go to the F9, magnify your name. To the B flat, to E flat 9, da, da, da. So F over C. That's why my heart is filled. Then we go to A7 flat 9 with praise. So you go to this G, and then make it a minor 7 flat 5, and then F over C. My heart is filled with praise. My heart is filled with praise. Okay, and that was a brief run-through of I Love You, Lord, Today by Edwin Hawkins. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on all notifications. That way you can catch my tutorials soon as they come out. All right, until next time, guys. Take care.